Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, today also we brought something special for your daily usage. So leave everything just for now and watch this video with full concentrations. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet bags, mean crochet shoulder and handbags. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crocheting. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique, outstanding and beautiful videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet shoulder bags offer numerous benefits, both practical and aesthetic. Here are some reasons why they are great choice. The first and the main one is unique and customizable. Crochet allows for a lot of creative freedom, so each bag can be unique and personalized with different yarn, color, texture, and patterns. Eco-friendly. Many crochet bags are made from sustainable natural fibers like cotton, jute, or hemp, making them an eco-friendly option. Lightweight. Crochet shoulder bags are typically lightweight, which makes them easy to carry without feeling weighed down. Durable. Despite their lightweight nature, crochet bags can be surprisingly strong and long lasting, especially if made with high quality yarn. Breathable. The open wave of crochet provides breathability, which can help prevent the bag from trapping moisture or odors. Versatile. They come in a variety of styles from casual totes to more structured dressy bag, making them versatile for different occasions. Comfort to carry. The shoulder strap on most crochet bags is often soft and adjustable, offering a comfortable fit. Fashionable. Crochet bags are a trendy accessory that adds a bohemian or vanity touch to any outfit. Handmade quality. Each bag is often handcrafted, making it a piece of art that reflects craftsmanship and attention to detail. Lightweight for travel. Crochet shoulder bags are perfect for travel as they can be packed easily and are light enough for day trips or vacations. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Variety of sizes. Whether you need a small bag for essentials or a large tote for shopping, crochet bags come in a variety of sizes to suit your needs. Breathable and non-restrictive. The open pattern in crochet allows air to circulate, preventing any unpleasant smells or depends inside. Affordable. Depending on the yarn used and the complexity of the design, crochet bags can be an affordable way to accessories. Perfect for beginners. Crochet bags are great for beginners, crafters, to practice skills like creating basic shape, joining pieces, and working on the round. Customization with embellishment. You can easily add beads, tassels, or other decorative elements to make your crochet shoulder bags even more unique. Supports small businesses. Many crochet bags are made by independent artisans or small businesses supporting local craftsmen. Can be used for different purposes. From beach bag to work bags, crochet shoulder bags can be used for a variety of purposes beyond just fashion. With the happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.